So guys, I am going to the dentist. Pandemics, COVID-19, going to dentist. I am so horrified and so scared, but I don't have a choice. I use so much home remedies. After some time, the pain will come back. Finally, I am able to find a place that is open. So let me go and see what's up. Okay, I'm going into the dentist. I'm so terrified. I think I want my teeth extracted. That's what I want. I gotta pull off those tooth. Let's see what the doctor has to say, what the dentist has to say. Chair really horrifies me. The dental chair. It's so horrific. Oh. I am so terrified. So scared. Yeah, this tooth here. I can barely open my mouth. Let's see what the dentist has to say. Oh, I'm scared. So I have the amazing dentist here and the dental assistant, right? Dr.
Vic?
Dr. Vic and
Carl?
Carl. You guys, I am here. Like it looks like they're going to kill me today, pulling up my teeth. Yes, this is COVID-19. Can you guys imagine that? Look at them. Okay, so at least I'm safe. And we're all safe. They're safe too. So guys, I have the dentist here. All their examination is done. I really want to pull out the teeth so I can have a peace of mind. But he's telling me that I don't need to pull out my teeth. I'm gonna have some refill, right? But because of COVID-19, they are not allowed, like the dental board or the medical board, they are not allowed to do teeth filling, right? Until after the COVID-19. So guys, I have to go home now. You're going to give me some medication for pain. It's Tylenol 3 and mouthwash, right? Okay, so I can come back if I have more pain. Guys, if it's in Nigeria, if it's back home, all I need to do is tell the doctor, pull it out, doctor will pull it out. But here, oh, they have to follow the rules and the guidelines. So I still want to have my teeth intact. So, but anyways, let me go home and try what the doctor says, and then I'll keep you guys posted. I can barely talk. I have terrible toothache. I will share with you one of the home remedies that I have been using to treat my tooth pain. And I have to give you a disclaimer: if you really have a severe, really bad toothache, this is not going to work for you. This is what I have been using to treat my toothache, because we are in the pandemic era and everything is shut down. So I have been using nothing other than moringa powder. What I do every night, moringa is loaded with so much antibacterial, and you guys know it treats a whole lot of diseases, helps with pain, arthritis, high blood pressure, cholesterol. But today I want to share with you how I use moringa to treat my toothache. Toothache, if you have an idea of what toothache is, you can understand what I'm talking about. I can barely sleep at night. You can see me at night here. Look at me. I had to wake up at 2 a.m. at night to do this video because I had excruciating pain and headache. I couldn't sleep. I searched everything in my kitchen cupboard until I come up with moringa. So all I do before I go to bed is I have this, you can see it still is all stained with moringa. So I have this is the single toothbrush. All I do, I dig it into the moringa powder and I put it around where I put it on my tooth, directly where I have the toothache. And why it really works perfectly at night is because when you're sleeping at night, your mouth is closed up. You cannot do this in the day. First of all, you cannot be walking around with black teeth or green teeth looking like a gorilla, or looking like a zombie with all these things in between your teeth. So you put this between your teeth where you have the toothache, and you sleep is going to relieve all the pain at night. In the morning, you can take your painkiller. Like I said, we are in the pandemic. This is COVID-19 and everywhere is closed. However, the teeth has been bothering me, one here and up here. Finally, I will be going into the dentist office because I was able to find one. But just watch this one. But just this one for the home remedies, just in case you have mild to moderate toothache. Use moringa. It works wonders on your teeth. So guys, subscribe and share the video. Love you guys. Bye. You can come with me to the dentist in my next video. Bye bye.